The people saving 2, 3, 4 hours a week with ChatGPT aren't doing anything complicated. They just know what to use it for and how to ask. Most people try it once, get a vague answer back, and close the tab. That's not a ChatGPT problem. That's a how-to-use-it problem. This video fixes that. By the end, you'll have 3 tools connected into one system that handles your writing, your organization, and your admin. Let's build it. Welcome to AI for Humans. Real tools tested and explained in plain language. Today, we're connecting ChatGPT for writing and thinking, Notion AI for organizing and storing, and Zapier for automating the repetitive stuff. Each one is useful on its own. Connected, they make each other more powerful. That's what a system does. Here's what most people's days look like. They open ChatGPT, write something, copy it somewhere, forget to log the task, and spend next week trying to remember what they decided. The tool worked, the system didn't, because there was no system. What you want is a flow, where information moves automatically from where it's created to where it needs to live, and the repetitive admin runs itself. That's what we're building. Layer 1 is ChatGPT. This is where everything starts: writing, deciding, brainstorming. In this system, ChatGPT is the first tool you open every morning, not occasionally, every day. Start with this prompt. I'm a professional with a busy day ahead. Give me a 2-minute brief, 3 things to focus on, and 1 question to ask myself before my first meeting. 30 seconds. Focus before your inbox is open. Then use it to draft everything you need to write, every email that matters, every proposal, every message where tone counts. Give it the situation, the outcome you want, the tone, and let it draft. You edit the last 20%. And before any important decision, paste your thinking in and ask, what am I missing? What's the strongest argument against this? It pushes back before anyone else does. That's not outsourcing your thinking. That's stress testing it. Layer 2 is Notion AI. If ChatGPT is where you think, Notion is where everything lives after that. It doesn't just store information, it reads and acts on it. Messy meeting notes? Paste them in. Highlight. Click Summarize. 10 seconds later, decisions made, action items, open questions, ready to share. Long document to understand before a call? Paste it in and ask, what are the risks? What are the deadlines? What's most likely to cause a problem? It surfaces what matters so you walk in prepared. And here's where most people use Notion wrong. They dump everything in with no structure, it gets messy, they stop trusting it, and they quit. Keep it simple. 3 sections: daily notes, projects, and a tasks database. That's the whole structure. Consistent beats complex every time. Layer 3 is Zapier, the glue that holds the system together. It connects apps and automates the handoffs you currently do manually. Something happens. That's the trigger. Something else happens. Automatically. That's the action. Set it up once, runs forever. A task gets completed in Notion. Zapier sends you a daily summary email. You don't touch anything. Someone fills in a form on your website. Zapier creates a follow-up task in Notion automatically. No copy-paste, no forgetting. An email arrives with the word invoice. Zapier tags it and creates a review task in Notion. Your inbox sorts itself. A meeting hits your calendar. Zapier drops a prep task in Notion an hour before. You never walk in unprepared. The free plan gives you 5 automations. That's enough to run this entire system. Set them up once, they run forever. Here's what your day looks like on this system. Morning, ChatGPT first. Run your brief. 3 priorities, 1 question. You know what the day needs before you've opened a single email. Write what you need to write. ChatGPT drafts it, you refine. 40 minutes becomes 8. Everything useful, the draft, the decision, yesterday's meeting notes, goes into Notion. 30 seconds to paste and tag. Your task database tells you exactly what to do next. And Zapier is running the whole time. Tasks appearing, summaries sending, admin handling itself. Here's what most productivity advice gets wrong. They say work harder, manage your time better, use a new app. This isn't about any of that. It's about building a system where the right thing happens automatically, so you never have to remember to do it. That's the difference between always catching up and always feeling in control. Here's how to build it. 3 days, 1 tool each. Day 1, ChatGPT only. Chat.openai.com. Free account. Run the morning brief. Draft one thing you were going to write today anyway. Get comfortable. Day 2, add Notion. Notion.so, free account. 3 pages. Daily notes, projects, tasks, database. At the end of the day, paste your ChatGPT outputs into the right places. Day 3, add Zapier. Zapier.com, free account. Build one automation, just one. Turn it on. Watch it run without you. That first automation firing on its own, tasks appearing, things happening, nobody touching anything. That's the moment the system clicks. Once you feel it, you'll build more. ChatGPT, thinking and writing. Notion AI, organization and storage. Zapier, automation. 3 tools, 1 system, 3 days to build it. Pick one tool today. Use it for something real, not a test, something you actually need done. That's how this becomes a habit instead of something you keep meaning to try. If you want to actually build this, not just hear about it, subscribe. 3 videos a week, real tools, tested, explained in plain language. See you in the next one.